Escape to nature, rustic outdoor living room ideas. Step into the world of rustic elegance as we uncover the undeniable allure of rustic outdoor living rooms. In this video, we invite you to explore the captivating beauty of these spaces and discover inspiring ideas to help you create your very own rustic retreat right in your courtyard. There is something timeless and enchanting about the combination of weathered wood, stone accents, and natural elements that come together to create inviting outdoor spaces. These areas beckon you to relax, unwind, and reconnect with the great outdoors. First on our journey are cozy seating areas. Imagine sinking into a plush armchair, surrounded by lush greenery, as you soak up the sun's warm rays. Rustic wooden benches with soft cushions and blankets invite you to curl up with a good book or simply enjoy the tranquility of nature. Creating a comfortable and inviting space is essential to transforming your outdoor area into a rustic living room oasis. As we venture further, we stumble upon charming fire pits. Nestled among the foliage, these gathering spots provide warmth and ambience, perfect for sharing stories and laughter with friends and loved ones. Adorn the area with weathered logs, rustic lanterns, and comfortable seating to create a cozy atmosphere that encourages connection and relaxation. Next, we encounter alfresco dining spaces. Picture a long, wooden table adorned with wildflower centerpieces, surrounded by chairs crafted from reclaimed materials. The sun casts a warm glow on the scene, setting the perfect backdrop for a leisurely meal with loved ones. Incorporate vintage-inspired dinnerware, textured table linens, and earthy accessories to embrace the rustic charm of outdoor dining. In the midst of our exploration, we stumble upon serene meditation nooks. A quiet corner surrounded by blooming flowers and the gentle rustling of leaves becomes your personal sanctuary. Rustic wooden trellises, adorned with cozy hammocks or swinging chairs, invite you to relax and find balance in the serenity of nature. Enhance the atmosphere with soft lighting, aromatic candles, and the soothing sounds of wind chimes. Rustic decor ideas abound in these outdoor living rooms, as every detail brings charm and natural beauty to the forefront. Weathered wood is showcased in pergolas, arbors, and outdoor structures, offering a touch of rustic elegance. Stone accents, such as a quaint stone pathway or a decorative wall, add character and grounding to the space. Lush greenery is an essential element in creating a rustic outdoor oasis. Surround your living room with potted plants, hanging baskets, and climbing vines to effortlessly merge your space with the surrounding natural environment. Let nature take center stage as you embrace the beauty of your courtyard. Lazy afternoons spent lounging in a hammock become a reality as you surrender to relaxation and peace. Soak in the surrounding beauty and let the worries of the day melt away. These rustic outdoor living room ideas inspire tranquility and offer a haven away from the busyness of everyday life. As our journey comes to a close, we invite you to grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let the soothing sights and sounds of nature wash over you. Escaping to nature has never been easier with these rustic outdoor living room ideas that elevate your outdoor space into a sanctuary of rustic charm and natural beauty. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration on bringing the beauty of the outdoors into your home. Let's escape to nature together and create a rustic retreat that harmonizes with the tranquility and elegance of the great outdoors.